Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 3 End of Module Project 2 assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File preparation. Save the initial file with the new name and ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 2. Sales projections worksheet. Align cell A1 to middle, italicize cell H1 and use the now function in I1 for today's date. Match formatting from D2 to A13 and from B4 to C4. Insert a line sparkline in F4 from B4. Fill F5 with sparklines, change color to dark blue and add markers. Copy the formula from G4 to G5. Use goal seek to set H8 to 120 by adjusting H6. Merge and center I3, rotate text 90 degrees, set column 1 width to 925.
Step 3. Formulas and sparklines. Insert an IFER formula in B11, then fill C11. Use an IF function in B15 for commission calculation, then fill C15. Insert a column sparkline in F15 from B15, fill F16 and display high and low points. Step 4. Chart creation. Create a clustered column chart from A3, resize reposition to A18, apply quick layout 9, set title projected sales, and set vertical axis title sales amount. Step 5. Final steps. Save, close, and submit the workbook.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.